Excel price function. This function calculates the price per $100 face value of a security that pays periodic interest. It is essential for bond pricing and fixed income analysis. The syntax is price with parameters settlement, maturity, rate, YLD, redemption, frequency, and an optional basis. Dates should be entered using the date function. There are 7 arguments. Settlement is the date the security is traded to the buyer. Maturity is the date when the security expires. Rate is the annual coupon rate. Yield is the annual yield. Redemption is the redemption value per $100 face value. Frequency is the number of coupon payments per year, 1, 2, or 4. And basis is an optional day count basis type, from 0 to 4. Here's an example. We have a settlement date of February 15, 2008, a maturity date of November 15, 2017, a coupon rate of 5.75%, a yield of 6.5%, a redemption value of 100, semi-annual frequency, and basis 0. The formula is price of B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8. The result is $94.63 per $100 face value. Since the yield of 6.5% is higher than the coupon rate of 5.75%, the bond trades at a discount below par. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when the settlement or maturity date is not valid. A num error occurs when the rate is negative, the yield is negative, the redemption is 0 or negative, or the settlement date is on or after the maturity date. Key points to remember. First, when yield is greater than the coupon rate, the bond trades at a discount, meaning the price is below 100. When yield is less than the rate, it trades at a premium. Second, frequency must be exactly 1, 2, or 4. Any other value produces a num error. Third, related functions include price disc for discounted securities, priced mat for securities paying at maturity, and yield for the inverse calculation. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.